Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel World of TREDEC. Typical presentation. Well, this is a review of a very old model kit from Japan. The brand is Otaki model kits from the 50s and 60s. With this very old presentation, old artistic graphic drawing, or maybe this is a picture with this background, with this typical symbol of the Mitsubishi at that time when it was a prototype. Well, this is the very old livery from that age. The model kit is very old. The sides I cannot read anything because it is all written in Japanese. The only thing I could recognize is the MU-2. It's the name of the aircraft, or the version, Mitsubishi MU-2. Nothing at the back, only it says made in Japan. It's already built many years ago. 6 years ago I built it. And I will show you only the remaining sprues for the kit. It's in white color, and this one is for the transclear parts. And the original cement, I didn't use it. It is still sealed, but I think it is hardened inside. It's dried. I cannot press it. It's extremely hard. So I think it is not. It won't work. Anyway, a typical banner of the Japanese products. It's the 1/72 scale model kit. It is not showing that scale on the box. I think I don't see it. The scale. The scale is inside. 1/72. Mitsubishi A5M4 96 Shiki. Okay, the kit number of this Otaki product is S7202-100. That's it. Let's check the building instructions. It's a very old paper with old drawings. Maybe they made by hand, not computer at all. I think everything is written in Japanese. The model drawn on with kind of already built, approximately. It looks like this way. It contains 28 pieces. I count them. Plus the water stickers, it should be 29 pieces. The dimensions 14 centimeters long by 16.5 centimeters wingspan. The steps extremely simple. Assembling the fuselage sides without anything inside, no floor, no seats, no pilots, no instrument panels, only the outside. Typical on those old model kits. Assembling the one mold, no halvers for the horizontal stabilizers, the windscreens and the passenger windows. Step number 2, assembling the 3 wing halves for the model. The propellers, 3 blades propellers with the pin. That's it. Step number 3, assembling the carriage system, the landing gear doors, landing gear struts, wheels, etc. Sprue maps. I forgot to show you this sprue map, and the views for the markings, the top view and one side view, in order to apply the water sticker stripes and for the tail. As you see, 4 simple steps. Okay, no codes for the paintings. I will show you the remaining water stickers, little bit damaged due to the age. These one are for the original model kit. As you see, they are cracked. I tried to apply on the model kit, they are kind of yellowed either, and they destroy on the water. Even I sprayed or covered with clear coat in order to restore it. So it was unsuccessful. Unfortunately, I have another stripes. The Mainichi, very bad condition. I didn't apply it, so I had to buy an extra water stickers for this model, but it was the same problem. The water stickers, when you dipped into the warm water, they got destroyed in many pieces, even protecting it with the clear coat. I saved some of them. You will see on the model kit already built. This is the model already built. I made my own water stickers, but not water stickers. It was dry transfers. The only water stickers I saved was the one in the tail with these logos and the registration, the Japanese registration, Japanese, Juliet Alpha 8627. The rest are made in dry transfers or stickered vinyl, like other models I used many years ago. It was my level best. I tried my level best. Okay, as you see, I really like it, the stickered vinyl, because they are extremely shiny and looks perfect for this finishing. This is a private aircraft and should be shiny, polished. I didn't paint the surfaces, only polished the original plastic material. And I searched on the internet and nothing, no information about this specific model kit already built. Maybe this is the only one you will see on the internet. Well, that's it. This is the model. I found some mistakes. Maybe it is factory mistakes. I'm not sure. Maybe I made the mistake building this model. This sighting from nose to tail, the dihedral angles are correct, but something's wrong about the landing gear. One of them is lower than the other one, but this is the only bad thing. I couldn't fix it. Maybe I had to cut some of the struts in order to place them, but I really kept the original dimensions. Sorry. The other thing I added was the stripes for the engine. They are not included, and the stripe for the fuel tanks. What else? Well, the antifreezings. I made the templates for the antifreezings in black. Unfortunately, they are offering the antifreezing on the water stickers in blue, dark blue. That's so weird to me. That's so weird. Anyway, well, this is. I really like the aircraft anyway, in spite of the mistakes. I used a display stand from Revell brand. That's kind of trans-smoked display stand. I don't know which model is. Maybe it's Space Shuttle. I'm not sure yet, but that's information I have. Well, look at this twisted appearance of the landing gear. That's another view. And well, as I told you, I didn't paint it. Only I polished the original plastic parts. I could let me check. The seams are completely hidden. I didn't fill it and sand it. I think that's fine. That was a miracle. Okay, very nice aircraft. I really like this tiny and little kit in 1/72nd scale. The navigation lights are no big deal about it. It is in chrome silver. This front fuel tanks, the blades, three blades propellers with this red front of these propellers. The antennas, very hard to apply this red zone in the front. As you see, nothing inside. I added these wipers for the windshield. That's it. Well, this is all about this review of this model kit. So thank you very much for watching this video, and let's go on to the next one. Bye bye.